Today, we will touch up on walls with blemishes. If you have kids or rental units, then you can certainly empathize. My kids simply don't care about the walls in this house. They walk down and up the stairs holding onto the wall instead of the banister. It's really annoying. In my house, blemishes are all over. Here is a bedroom in my old house that I would like to touch up before selling. It does not make any sense to paint the whole wall when most of the stains are nearer to the bottom. I don't know if you can see blemishes on camera clearly. It really depends on the angle, I guess. Despite whatever videos you've seen on YouTube, there's no way to match the new paint with the old paint. If you just paint one small spot, it will stick out like a sore thumb. The best solution is to paint the whole wall, right? But save yourself some paint and lots of time by simply masking the whole affected area. Myself, I am using a laser leveler to help with masking. Once masking is done, proceed with painting as usual. In this bedroom, on this wall, I am only painting a third of the wall instead of the whole wall. The result is having cool angular shapes as seen in this video. You can see the old paint that I did 3 years ago. And now I will only mask where I need to touch up. Alright, hopefully you found this video helpful. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.